Hey folks, Rob Vivian here on July the 5th on Thursday for our weekly real estate update. And so I've said in a couple of previous tips that you should take half the summer off. And that's what I mean that. I'm taking half the summer off. I want you to do the same thing. You see, it's not about the half the summer you take off. It's about the half of the summer that you're working. You got to really get to work. So you can't do this. You can't take half the summer off. And then the other half, you show up at the office and say you work because you put your suit on and went to the office. Working is not your physical location. It's what you're doing and what you're thinking. So on those 20 work days or so, half the summer when you're working, get your brain in the game and get to work. You're going to notice in your prospecting that there's going to be a lot more people home in the morning, because you see in July and August there's a lot of people that if they have the option to work from home and look after the kids, they're going to do that. And so on those 20 work days or so that are work days in July and August, you're going to see your hit ratio in your prospecting go way up as those people take advantage of working from home. So be smart with your summer. Take half it off, work the other half, and have a much better hit ratio with your prospecting. If you enjoy these weekly updates, I highly recommend you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an awesome day.